Hey, you can come in. Make yourself at home. You can sit here. So, are you good? Yeah, me too. So, I'm gonna take the papers. Here. You can ask me anything if you need help. I know my subject can be kind of boring and that things, but you can't keep in this horrible grades, you know? Oh. This? It's kind of easy, you know? What? Are you serious? Okay, A, B, or C? No, it's C. Oh God. I am boring you. But I'm here to help you. Huh. Oh. I forgot you like me. Oh, shut up. Don't try to buy time. I'm gonna get out of here. For you, focus. Huh? Help you? I'm trying to help you. But you can't focus with me here. Okay, but you have to focus. Okay. Read the question. Yeah. Right. Now, how these options is most similar to the question. Yeah, you're right. See? You have to pay attention. What do you mean? What do you get with it? Well, you're right. So, you learn it. What? Okay, I don't get it. What do you... Oh, I didn't know you wanted this. What? I'm not blushing, idiot. Whatever, do the second question. What? If you get it right, I will give you another kiss. Well, if this motivates you, I guess fine. Okay, next question. Read. Yeah. Okay. A, B, or C? Well, now you're getting right all these questions. It's kind of surprising. Okay. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? Look, I'm your professor. If they get it, I will be fired. Hey, look, I know you like me, and I like you, and yeah, we can be a couple, but I'm your professor. I can't. お兄ちゃん I'm home. お兄ちゃん Aluka, your school, it's already finished? Yeah, but who is this girl? Is she your girlfriend? What? No, she's my student. Yeah, I know. Anyways, I'm going to my room. Bye and good luck. Bye, Aluka. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's finish this exercise and you are going to home.